There's really only two truly American creations. One of them is jazz, and the other one is bourbon. And so when you're in that kind of company, yeah, you should get some chills. It's fun. It hasn't had its chance on the world stage yet. And so to be one, to kind of have the goosebumps of being a part of something that's really truly American, and has the ingenuity and all the creativity and all the passion that we bring to everything we do in America. To be a part of that's really, really fun. To realize that we're literally on the ground floor of what bourbon can be in the world and what it can be in the pantheon of great spirits is kind of really the cool part.
Jason and I met when he was at Lippman Brothers here as a distributor. And Jason and I hit it off and stayed in touch, and I believe he had been at Lippman Brothers, I think like 20 years. And he really knew the industry, knew the distributors, knew the players. He's a big part of what has made Brindiamo successful over the years because he is instantly credible.
So a lot of what lends people to trying in the beverage alcohol is it looks fairly simple on the outside, right? You put a liquid in a bottle, you come up with a catchy name, do some marketing, and voila. Every retailer is going to pick it up and every consumer gets a chance to see it. You wouldn't go up against Coke and Pepsi and trying to do that. Beverage alcohol is a little bit different. There's still a lot of room for innovation, and innovation still drives it. So you have a lot of people that want to take a swing at it and then realize that, okay, well, what all goes into that? And that's where things kind of start to fall apart, and that's where the real challenges lie. And that's where people come to me in that 27 years and to Jeff, with his combined 30 years, and we're going to slow you down, and we're going to tell you really clearly what we think of your product. Well, I've got a great idea for a whiskey, but I don't have any liquid. And that's really where Jeff and I, in Brindiamo, I think it all kind of hinges. Is if you don't have the liquid, it's a non-starter. And we don't make any of the problems just go away, or any of the challenges go away, but we get them all together on the page and on the table, and we help you get an attack plan against it.
He knows lots of brands, lots of distributors, lots of the industry stuff that I don't really pay as much attention to. So it's a good balance for us.
We're both kind of brand guys, and we like the look of something on a shelf. We like that people are out there trying to create things. We want more, we don't want less. So he gets excited about the business in a way that I think a lot of people that spend as much time in it as we have don't do anymore.